Orere ndarama cia gutafanio kwa referendum ithiete na mbere kugambira hakuhi Gikundi kia Linda Katiba na kiongo kiratunganiriria ritana-ini ria kuhinyiriria Kenya mehande na maregane na igeria riothe ria gucenjia gatiba. Makiuria mari mukawa-ini umwe guku kaunti ya Nairobi, atongoria gikundi giki maugite mihango ya ucenjia wa gatiba yari mugaru na watho o kumwo kiambiriria makiuria Kenya magitire gatiba iria mari nayo.
We saw the signatures of an initiative dubbed a popular initiative being collected by the provincial administration. This in itself is unconstitutional use of public resources and machinery.
Akiuria gia bata wa kubwo gwa giturwa gia Prime Minister na nini yake Martha Karua no rene mutongoria wa kiama kia NARC Kenya ni ahinyiririe ino ihota gukorwo ari njama ya amwe atongoria kuregera giti-ini.
Elections must have winners and losers. So instead of fixing the electoral process, they're just putting additional seats for people to share at the national level. If this were indeed true, there should be similar seats at the county level.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
Miario ya atongoria ya Linda Katiba yokete orere na wa MCA za Bugia wa Singishu na kureni kaunti ya munini wa mutongoria wa Florida Gitare William Ruto umete maregire kunyita mbaru kana kugoithia mutaratara wa watho wa ucenjia wa gatiba uria gwatamanitio bunge-ini ciothe 47 na gukinyiria riu kaunti 43 ni cihitukitie mutaratara uyu guku kaunti 3 ikiugoithia nayo kaunti imwe ikiungatheria.
The County Assembly of Uasin Gishu will abstain from considering the Constitution of Kenya Amendment Bill 2020.
Nakuo bunge-ini ciere kuria maitho ma Kenya marorereirio kuona mwerekero ria mekuoya wigie mutaratara uyu wa watho wa ucenjia wa gatiba. Speaker wa bunge ya Senate Kenneth Lusaka nianireire mutaratara uyu ugatemanio bunge-ini ciere ihinda-ini ria ciumia igiri ciukite.
The committees of the National Assembly and the Senate are meeting. After that, they will be having public hearings from between 17th and 20th, and they will take a retreat, and we are hoping that after that, just like we did in our communication with my colleague in the National Assembly, on 23rd of this month, we expect that the bills will now be tabled in the both houses to start the process of discussion.
Arimara atongoria kampeni cia BBI makoretwo makihinyiriria gwikinyiria mweri wa 6 a Kenya no mwaka makorwo marikite ndebe-ini mihango-ini ya referendum. Girifotera Kameme TV retora kwa nino gari wa Kamau.